For math this week, we're learning the area of a square, and our answer continues the song from last week. The area of a rectangle equals length times width. The area of a square equals length of its side squared, s squared. For English, we're continuing a list of helping verbs. So I'll start at the beginning. Helping verb, helps another verb assert action, being, or existence. Helping verbs make lots of sense. The helping verbs are do, does, did, has, have, had, may, must, might. We may go to the store, we might go to the playground. This is our motion for may, must, might. For our timeline this week, it starts with Napoleon, sign language N, crowned Emperor, we've done this sign before, of France. Liberation of South America. We do an S with the thumb on the outside of our fist and then move it south. The War of 1812, we show war and bombs going off because this is when the Star-Spangled Banner was written and it talked about the bombs bursting in air. War of 1812. The Missouri Compromise is when the slave states and the free states were decided who was who, and they thought the same. They compromised. Missouri Compromise. Next is immigrants flocked to America. So immigrants came into America. This is a sign for America. Kind of think of like a melting pot. Like we're all from different places but all living together. The Monroe Doctrine is what stated that we were our own country and we had power and we're going to expand that power, and so the sign for expansion. Monroe Doctrine. And for a romantic period of the arts, we're going to show our emotions. So we're going to bring our hands down and be sad, hands up, be happy. It's really hard to do when you're saying romantic period of the arts. For science this week, we are asked, what are some parts of a volcano? And as we say our answer, we're going to start really small, low, and quiet, and get bigger and louder at the end. So here's our song. What are some parts of a volcano? Magma, vents, lava, crater, gases are some parts of a volcano. For Latin this week, we're reviewing our second declension noun endings. So with 2 fingers for second declension and 1 hand for singular, I'm going to make octopus tentacles. And our tune for this is Dashing Through the Snow. Us-e-o-o, show your bow tie. Us-e-o-o, us-e-o-o, singular second declension. For plural, 2 hands, we start with trees and say e-orem east os east, geese flying away. E-orem east os east, e-orem east os east. Plural second declension. For history, we are asked, tell me about the Aztecs. And here are the motions. The Aztecs used pyramids in rituals of human sacrifice. The civilization began to fall when Hernan Cortez of Spain defeated Montezuma II in 1519. For geography this week, we are learning about some of the countries in southern Africa. And the tune to our song is, In the Jungle, the Mighty Jungle. Here it is. Southern Africa, Ethiopia, rounded with a point. East of the Nile River, north of Lake Victoria. Mozambique makes a Y. On the southeastern side. Zimbabwe to the west, it is round with the point. South Africa at the end of the continent, my friend. Madagascar, island nation in the Indian Ocean. This is our Geo song, this is our Geo song.